Hello everyone, I am Devjeet Sahu from section 14 and my roll number is 21AE10014. Today I am going to present my second DIY assignment, which is distance measuring using ultrasonic sensor. So first we will look at the list of components. For this project I have used an Arduino Uno R3, which is an open source microcontroller board with a set of digital and analog pins, a green LED light emitting diode, a red LED, a 300 ohm resistor, a piezo speaker, ultrasonic distance sensor which basically emits sound waves of higher frequency which then gets reflected by a obstacle, and the time required by the wave to come back from the obstacle to the sensor is used to measure or calculate the distance. Then I have used two multimeters, one to measure current and one to measure voltage. Now let's have a look at the circuit layout. This is our circuit, you can see over here. Now let's go to code. I have used this block of code for the logic. So basically my logic is that if the distance of the obstacle from the ultrasonic sensor is less than 200 centimeter, then the piezo speaker will turn on and the red LED will turn on. If the distance is greater than 200 centimeter, then the green LED will turn on. Now let's simulate and see how it is working. We can also see the distance in the serial monitor. As you can see, the distance in the serial monitor, it is 238. It is greater than 200, so the green LED is turned on and the voltage across the green LED is 1.97 volt. Now let's bring it closer. As the is less than 200 centimeter, we can see the PG speaker is turned on and and the red LED is also turned on. The current flowing through the red LED is 8.66 milliampere. Now let's stop simulating. Now let's convert these blocks of code to text of code. Continue. Now let me copy this code. I have copied the code. Now let's move to Arduino Uno IDE. I have pasted the code here and now let's compile to see. The compilation has started and now I want to say the usage of this ultrasonic sensor. It can be used for advanced parking technology in car to detect obstacle. It can also be used in UAV navigation system, that is drone navigation system, to detect its distance from the ground or to detect any obstacle in its path. We can also use it to uh, detect the level of liquid in a tank. So the most interesting part is that we can use it in our homes to conserve water by fitting it into our water tank so that it can recognize the water level in our tank, and we stop the overflowing of water by listening the alarm, and we can conserve water. So as you can see, compiling is done and it has compiled successfully, so we can use this code to feed it into the Arduino and do the project in real life also. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.